Hey guys, welcome to my channel Sakshi Gloss Shots, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to achieve this green brown smoky eye. Hope you enjoy it, and without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. I'll be starting with the Contour 3D Balm by Mars, applying it over the cheekbone, jawline, bridge of the nose, on the forehead and just above the chin to give that dimension. As it is a dual product, I'll be taking its highlighting part, applying it under the cheek, on the bridge of the nose, forehead and on the chin. Later, blending it out. Next, I'll be taking my Silky Smooth Foundation by Swiss Beauty and applying it all over my face. It's shade lighter than my skin tone because it oxidizes. It will be fine later. Now I'll be using my Pro HD High Definition Concealer and applying it over my eyelids. It will work as an eyeshadow primer. I love this Glam Vista 88 color eyeshadow palette. It contains all the shades, pressed glitter, shimmers as well as matte. Taking the shade Erherica, I'll be placing it right in the crease. Next off, I'll be using the shade called Spark Wings, placing it in the crease but right below the brown eyeshadow we placed previously. Getting to the shade Erheric, I will use it to diffuse any harsh lines. Now I'll be taking my concealer, which I used previously, and cover half of the lid. Then I'll place shade Sweet Toffee over it. Now I'll be using my Neon High Tech eyeliner for a smooth cut crease wing. I'm sorry, the camera kind of stopped filming. What I used was my Liao Gel Kajal and Eyeliner Cake to tightline my lower and upper lash line, and use mascara to coat my lashes. After putting on my falsies, I just put on some blush and highlighter over my face. Then I finished off the look with soft cherry shade lipstick and going over with a brown glossy lipstick above it. So here's the finished look. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I update a new video. See you in my next one.